Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to find your Kwik Trip pay stub. Kwik Trip uses a secure internal system for employees to view their pay stub and other financial details. So you just want to go to the employee portal right after you access your Kwik Rewards account. First of all, open a web browser and then go to the URL box and type in kwikrewards.com. Once you get to the official homepage for Kwik Rewards, make sure that you are signed into your account like you normally do. After you are signed into the account, scroll all the way down where you will be able to see the employee login link. Click on Employee Login. Now you'll end up in this login portal where you'll need to type in your username and password as an employee. You can ask your manager for the specific login information which they will provide, and you can then type in your username and the password to access to your account. Click on Sign In and you will be able to find your pay stub quick and easy. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.